Hi everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to hide certain apps on iPhone devices. Okay, so as you see, I already have the iPhone in my hand, and all you need to do just go into the Settings app, then scroll down a bit to the Screen Time option, click the option, then go down, make sure to set your time passcode. You need it to the Content and Privacy Restriction tab to access this setting, and then go to Content and Privacy Restrictions, and then you will see the Allowed Apps and Features, and then there's the list of the apps that you can hide from your lock screen. Just press it then and click it, and right now you will not see mail anywhere. And then once I go back, once I click it, once I set it, now automatically I will have mail somewhere on my device. Let me look for it. And as you see, it's already updated. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys next time.